Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel. Today we will discuss how to start English learning. We meet again very long time after. I hope you are doing well and pretty good. When we last time met, that time we discussed a small story through the English book. When I started my journey, YouTube journey, that time I was never thought how to learn this language. But slowly and gradually I started reading books, reading newspaper, because I was introvert type person that time, and that time I was no idea how to learn this language. Whatever resources I had that time, I started my journey, and I had no idea that time how to continue this journey. But slowly and gradually I gained some confidence through my viewers, from you, and some my friends. They each and every time encouraged me, Ashok, you should continue your journey because you have some passion to learn this language, and this language is nowadays is a global language, and each and every place this language is required. That is the main reason I continue, and I try to express my own thought in my own words. I would like to share another one thing, because when we start anything, any work, we already made up our mind. If people criticize, if people laugh at, what will happen with us? But don't worry, no need to pay attention people what say and people what think about us. We should continue our journey without any hesitation, without any types of excuse, because English is a global language, and we should try to make some small goals